No better than Divine Pisces 222. It is Wednesday, August 19th, 2020. Sorry, the daily message is so late today, guys. I had a very hectic morning. I have a toddler, so, sometimes things don't go as planned. So I do apologize for that, but I'm going to go ahead and get this started for today. I also want to let you guys know a little bit of an update on me. I was actually being psychically attacked. I did have something attached to me, clear. And I did get it cleared. Also was attached to my soulmate as well. So, yeah, that's fun. I also feel it may be attached to my DM. So just be careful, guys. I know I was saying this yesterday about the spiritual warfare. Clear. Guys, you gotta be really careful. Really careful who you deal with, who you talk to, who you tell your journey to. Just guard your energy, protect your energy. I recommend getting, regular clearings from someone you trust. And you can actually do them yourself as well. But sometimes it helps to have an outsider's perspective too. So yeah, I highly recommend doing that. I mean, I do offer the SRT services, Spirit Release Therapy, that does that as well. It checks, basically I check to see if there are any negative attachments against you, anything that may be causing any blockages in the chakra systems, literally anything or anyone that might be attached to you. So it looks at all attachments, whether, they are conscious, unconscious, devices, things like that. So that's what the SRT is for. So if you have any questions about that, guys, feel free to send me an email. You can check it out on my website, divinepisces222.com/shop. All right, so I'm going to get this daily message started. But I think the main message for today is just to be very careful, guys. Be very, very careful right now. Guard your energy. Keep your thoughts positive, okay? Because we're manifesting really like almost instantly right now, okay? So keep your thoughts positive, okay? Because you're gonna, when we think about manifestation, we don't think about the fact that we can manifest negative things. We absolutely can. If you're in a negative vibration, if you're in a negative mindset, you absolutely can manifest negative things, okay? So keep that in mind. Keep your channel clear. Some of you, you may actually have some blockages going on with your third eye or your crown. I said this yesterday, there are entities out there that don't want twin flames to have union. They don't want light workers to step into their path. They don't want people to wake up, because if they wake up, they cannot be controlled. Okay, so please keep that in mind, guys. I'm not saying be suspicious of everybody, absolutely not, but listen to yourself. And I know I've been saying this for a while too. Listen to your intuition, listen to your gut, okay? So the message for today, against the grain. So I think this is actually fairly significant of what I just said, against the grain. So be prepared. You are going to get persecuted for going against the narrative, okay? For saying things that don't align with what the mass consciousness wants you to believe, okay? To keep you trapped in that illusion, okay? But don't fear going against the grain. Don't fear it, okay? You have the light on your side. You know who you are. You know what your truth is. Speak what you need to speak, okay? Remember that you belong to the family of light, absolutely. And that's what's being called up right now. There's just too much darkness. And then actually I was talking to Wicked Virgo about this. There is an imbalance, right? There is an imbalance of light and dark. Light doesn't, you have to have a balance of both. Just like you have to have a balance of ego and intuition, right? You have to have a balance of dark and light. The problem that we're facing right now, it's like the darkness is taking over and the light's having to fight back. We need to have an equilibrium. There's a place for both, and there needs to be balance, okay? And that's what's happening right now. Those of you who are light workers, you are a part of the family of light. That's what your job is, to help bring everything back into balance, okay? Wow, look at that, light and dark. What did I just say? I know this is differences, but really this is almost like a balance card, because you have the light and you have the dark, you have the yin and the yang, and you have to have both. You have to have the masculine and the feminine, okay? The positive, the negative, okay? Where there is good, there is bad, so on and so forth, okay? You have to have a balance, and that's what I feel is happening right now. So catch your breath, guys. Be prepared. There are more things coming in, all right? There are going to be more things coming in. Take into account that you wouldn't have taken this on if you didn't think you can handle it, okay? So don't freak out about it. Just take it, take things one day at a time, okay? All right, guys, I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.